Ever wonder how your favorite Oreo cookies are made? Let's start at the beginning. Picture this, the year is 1898, a time when baking was a booming business. Several independent baking companies saw the potential of combining forces and decided to merge, forming the National Baking Company. This company would later be known to the world as Nabisco. Now, Nabisco was not just any baking company, it was a powerhouse that would revolutionize the cookie world. After years of innovation and experimentation, they created a cookie that would become a global sensation: the Oreo. This wasn't just a cookie, it was a perfect blend of crunch and creaminess, a sweet treat that appealed to the masses. This was the birth of the Oreo cookie, a cookie that would eventually be produced in factories across 18 countries and become a beloved snack worldwide. So that's how the Oreo cookie was born. But how does it go from an idea to the cookie we know and love? Oreo cookies are not just a household name in the United States, but all over the world. This globally beloved treat is produced on an epic scale, in factories that span across 18 countries. Each year, these factories collectively churn out an astounding 40 billion Oreo cookies. That's more than 5 cookies for every person on the planet. From the bustling streets of New York to the tranquil villages of India, from the snowy landscapes of Canada to the sunny beaches of Australia, these iconic black and white cookies find their way into millions of homes, bringing joy with every bite. The secret to such widespread production lies in the harmonious blend of precision machinery, carefully selected ingredients, and stringent quality control measures. This is a process that has been perfected over more than a century, ensuring that every Oreo cookie you enjoy is as delicious as the last. With such vast quantities, you may be wondering, how are these cookies made? The Oreo factory is a marvel of modern machinery. This is where the magic happens, where simplicity meets sophistication to create these delightful treats. The factory is a symphony of heavy-duty machinery that work in perfect harmony to produce over 1 billion cookies each year. Imagine trying to hand-make that many cookies. It would take a lifetime, maybe even several. It's just not feasible. But thanks to the wonders of technology, we can enjoy Oreos anytime, anywhere. The process begins with the raw ingredients: flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, leavening agents, salt, flavorings, and of course the vanilla cream filling. These ingredients are sourced from different producers and must pass the scrutiny of a diligent quality control team before they're deemed worthy of becoming an Oreo cookie. Once the ingredients are approved, they're mixed together to create the chocolatey dough. This isn't your average cookie dough though. This dough is mixed with a specially formulated canola oil mixture, and then water and dry ice are added to achieve the perfect consistency. From there, the dough is handed off to a molding machine. This isn't just any machine, it's a machine with an engraved roller that shapes and designs the cookies. It's like a cookie artist, churning out 5,000 cookies per hour. After the cookies are formed, they take a ride on a steel conveyor belt, heading straight for an industrial-grade oven. This is where they transform from dough to the delicious, crunchy biscuits we all know and love. While the biscuits are baking, the vanilla cream filling is prepared separately. Made from powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, vanilla flavoring, and other secret ingredients, it's the heart of every Oreo cookie. This creamy filling is dispensed onto one side of the cookies using a centrifugal pump, and then machinery presses the top and bottom biscuits together. And there you have it, the process of making an Oreo cookie. It's a blend of art and science, of tradition and innovation. It's a process that has been perfected over more than a century, resulting in the world's favorite cookie. Now that we've seen where they're made, let's dive into what they're made of. Every Oreo cookie begins with a selection of key ingredients. This iconic cookie is a symphony of fine elements, each playing its part to create that distinctive Oreo taste and texture we all know and love. First on our list is flour, the backbone of the cookie, providing structure and substance. Next we have sugar, lending a sweet melody to the mix. Then cocoa powder steps in, giving the cookie its rich chocolatey character. To ensure the cookie rises to the occasion, we incorporate leavening agents. A pinch of salt is added, subtly enhancing the flavors. And let's not forget the vegetable oil, which ensures a smooth blend of these components. Last but by no means least, we have the flavorings and the star of the show, the vanilla cream filling. Each of these ingredients is sourced from different producers, each vetted and approved by a stringent quality control team. Now, on to the batter preparation. The process is a choreographed dance of precision and timing. The sugar, cocoa, salt, and other ingredients are first combined with a specially formulated canola oil mixture. This blend is then mixed under controlled conditions to ensure a perfect union of flavors and textures. But the magic doesn't stop there. What sets the Oreo batter apart is the subsequent addition of water and dry ice. Yes, you heard it right, dry ice. This isn't just for the theatrics, it serves a practical purpose. The dry ice helps to achieve the right consistency, ensuring that the batter is neither too thick nor too thin. This vital step is what gives the Oreo its characteristic crunch on the outside and softness on the inside. The batter preparation is an intricate process, a testament to the care and expertise that goes into every single Oreo cookie. It's not just about mixing ingredients, it's about creating a harmonious blend that results in a cookie loved by millions around the globe. With the batter ready, it's time for the next step, shaping the cookies. The transformation from batter to cookie is a fascinating process. Let's delve right into it. Imagine an elaborate dance of dough and machinery. The chocolate dough, now at the perfect consistency, meets an engraved roller in a molding machine. This isn't just any roller, it's the maestro, conducting the transformation of the dough into the iconic embossed Oreo cookies we've all come to recognize. Each hour, this marvelous machine molds a whopping 5,000 cookies. But our cookies aren't ready to leave the stage just yet. They are ushered onto a steel conveyor, a highway of sorts, leading them to their next performance, the baking process. Here, they are exposed to the carefully regulated heat of an industrial-grade oven. It's a delicate balance, ensuring each cookie is baked to perfection while maintaining the integrity of its intricate design. Meanwhile, in a different part of our factory symphony, the vanilla cream filling is being prepared. This sweet symphony consists of powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, vanilla flavoring, and a few other secret ingredients. The resulting mixture is creamy, smooth, and full of that vanilla goodness we associate with the heart of an Oreo. This cream doesn't just sit around though, it's dispensed onto one side of the cookies with precision, thanks to a centrifugal pump. The cream filling plays the pivotal role of a bridge, connecting two cookies to form the complete Oreo. It's a delicate process with machinery pressing the top and bottom biscuits together. The result? That classic Oreo sandwich cookie we all know and love. But wait, before you reach out to grab one of these delightful treats, there's one last step. Now we have an Oreo cookie, but it's not quite ready to be enjoyed yet. There's a final curtain call for our cookies, and that's the quality control and distribution process, but let's save that for our next scene. Before the cookies can be enjoyed, they go through a rigorous quality control process. This is an essential step, ensuring that every single Oreo cookie that leaves the factory meets the exacting standards we've all come to expect from this iconic snack. Just imagine the scene. Freshly baked cookies, still warm from the oven, are sent down the line. Each cookie is scrutinized, checked for size, shape, and color consistency. Yes, even the intricate design imprinted on each cookie is inspected to make sure it's just right. This process is carried out by a combination of state-of-the-art machinery and a dedicated team of quality control experts. Next, the cookies are weighed. Each cookie must hit the sweet spot right down to the gram. Too heavy or too light and it's back to the drawing board. The cookies are also tested for taste and texture, making sure they deliver that classic Oreo crunch and creamy filling we all know and love. Once the cookies pass the quality control checks, they move on to packaging. The assembly line is a sight to behold, with cookies swiftly and accurately being sorted into sleeves. These sleeves, each containing a precise number of cookies, are then packed into the familiar blue boxes we've all seen on store shelves. But the journey doesn't end there. The boxes are palletized, ready for transit, and shipped off to distribution centers. These centers are strategically located all over the globe, ensuring that your favorite cookie is never too far away. From there, the boxes are dispatched to retailers in more than 100 countries. Every step of the way, from the mixing of ingredients to the final packaging, the process is monitored to ensure the highest quality. This commitment to excellence is what makes Oreo cookies a favorite amongst cookie connoisseurs worldwide. And that, folks, is how your favorite Oreo cookies are made and distributed all over the world.